Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you took this time to come and watch this video. Today I am finally going to be filming and exploring with you guys the one, the only iconica Pat McGrath Labs. Is super iconic, and I'm so happy that I'm able to partner with Sephora and really bring this look to life. Her even being a Black Indigenous woman, that spoke volumes to me. Like, they call her mother for a reason because she birthed a whole feel, a whole look, a whole energy. Me also being in the modeling industry, you know, the fashion, beauty, like they're all one and the same and they all come together. So I feel like Pat McGrath really merges the two for me. I'm so excited to create this look for you guys and really explore the Pat McGrath Labs. So if you want to see how I create my look and more about her products, then keep watching. So usually I go in with my eye look first, but I'm really into this Pat McGrath skin, so I feel like I'm gonna do my complexion first and then we'll get into the eyes. We have the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Perfection Foundation. Bam, bam, look at that, bam. Okay, so the coverage is medium. It's a natural finish. And a really cool call out that I found is that it has diamond core powder. That's why the price is up there, because we got diamonds. We got diamonds in here, okay? And that's supposed to enhance your radiance and skin luminosity and decrease appearance of skin imperfection. Basically like runway ready type foundation. I am here for it, but I guess you want that sheer perfection. It says to use your fingertips. Yeah, if you want a more sublime perfection look, you use a brush. I'm gonna just go ahead and pump 1.5 pumps, just like that. By the way, I'm using the shade Medium Deep 26. Yeah, so I'm gonna go in and just do a dot and a dot and a dot here. And then I'm just gonna blend it out. It really feels like you're not wearing anything on the skin. So for my oily skinned kings and queens, I would definitely go in with a primer that's really gonna grip the makeup down. She's already cute. But honestly, I'm more of a brush girl. I tried it, you know, she's cute. So yeah, I really wanna show you guys how this builds up. I went in with an extra pump and really getting to my more challenging areas where I have my hyperpigmentation. And it has a beautiful radiance, again, with that diamond powder, because we're bougie. We have bougie. We are being bougie with Mother Pot. I love the way my skin looks, feels with this foundation. I'm ready to tackle the day and we're just getting started. Just even a closer look. Now moving on to concealer. We have the Pat McGrath Labs Sublime Perfection Concealer. And I did get it in the same shade, MD26, that it's a creamy, lightweight, full coverage concealer with a natural radiant matte finish that brightens under the eye and hides the appearance of blemishes. And here is the concealer. Yeah, so this is the wand. And do a thin layer here and here just to brighten. And as you can see, it is brighter than the foundation shade, although it's the same shade. And I'm just gonna go in with a concealer brush and blend that out. Like, easy, super easy. I'm just gonna bring it on top of my eyes as well and use it as an eyeshadow primer for when I go in with the eyeshadow. All right, so this is what my complexion looks like so far, and it's really giving me radiant goddess, satin, queen. I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup, and while I'm there, I'm gonna go ahead and add some bronzer and just really bring my face together. Now we're gonna go in with the eyes, yes! And we're gonna be using, oh, it's upside down. We're gonna be using the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership V eyeshadow palette in Bronze Seduction. Literally, Mothership, like landed from planet Iconica and gifted us. Okay, you know, a little dirty because I played around in it. There's metallics, there's pearls, cream infused powders. It's legit another experience. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Oops, wait, yeah, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here as a transition shade. Yeah, so we're loving this shade. And for the next shade, I'm gonna go in with a lid color, and I'm gonna use this gorgeous red right here. I've been loving my fingers for eyeshadow, especially for these delicate foils and metallics. I really feel like the payoff is just amazing with your fingers. Guys, do you see this? Look at that pigment. Ah, I'm actually gonna go in with a brush to kind of get more in the crease area. Give you guys a little moment. Now I'm gonna go in with this purple shade right here, this deep plum. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that in with this red fantasy I have on my eyes. These are blending together like they were meant to be. Yeah, she is cute. I'm also gonna go ahead and tight line my eyes with some eyeliner. I'm living for this whole look right now. I actually redeemed with my points a little Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. And this is the wand. You see it? I'm gonna go in with a little pixie dust. So I'm just gonna go with the shade right above the red, right here, which is kind of like a pink, a rose gold. Apply it right in that corner. Nice little pixie dust. Nice little topper. I've already gone and outlined my lip with some lip liner, and now we're gonna go ahead and use some beautiful Pat McGrath Labs Lust lip glosses. And this was actually one of the first products that I tried from Pat McGrath before the palette, before the complexion. I'm gonna go ahead and use Flush 4. They kind of smell like vanilla-y, vanilla-ish. I don't know, but they smell good. I'm in love. Honestly, I'm gonna go in and top it with Dare to Bear. Yeah, so I'm giving you a full close-up of this look. And we are living. All right, so that is the end to this look, this tutorial, to this introduction to Pat McGrath Labs on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I hope if this is your first time exploring Pat McGrath, I hope you clicked into the fantasy. I hope we're not having any seizures from the bling on my eyes. Don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much. I can't wait to come out with more content for you guys. Until then, check out my other videos, and much love.